Hello, this is Uncle Scary, right here in Media, Pennsylvania, and right now we're seeing a lot of snow here. Spring snowfall here in Media, Pennsylvania. As you see, it's a spring snowfall. It's quite amazing. Looks like Elsa got released from jail again. This big snowfall. Looks like Elsa got out of jail again. God. Looks like Elsa got out of jail again. Wow. I can't believe it actually snowed on the first day of spring. Looks like snow miser, heat miser war again. It's snowing, even though it's spring and we should be up at the beach. I don't believe this. God, all this snow that happened. I guess also got out of jail again. God, Mother Nature is playing mind games on us. Can't believe it. I guess Mother Nature played mind games on us. You know, it's not nice to fool Mother Nature and all that. Last year it was El Nino now. I'm not gonna say it's far too rude. All the snow happened. Wow, look at that. All the snow. It was Uncle Siri over. Oh boy, it's pretty cold here. And it's all worth it. After all, who knows what horrible things are out there and things. Right now I'm going to go inside and have a big cup of hot chocolate and all of that. So it's cold and I can't feel my toes anymore. And my kids will have a great day. Have a great day, amazing stuff, a lot of fun stuff. Some things. Till next time, have a great day. God wrote me yesterday and asked, Ted, if you could be anywhere today, where would it be and all that? Something like Tahiti, or Cancun, or Hispaniola, Barbados, or Antigua, Los Angeles. I had to go through. I had to sow. It's all worth it. It's all worth it. All the snow, let's come from Canada and all that. Normally, I nuts against Canada. I love Canada. I love Canadians. Only their bacon. No, they're rewarded the horror movies up there. A lot of Muppet stuff was filmed up there. Frank Rock was filmed up there. And a lot of Nicholas was filmed up there. Artist Special was filmed up there. One thing, keep your snow cold north of the border. And go through. I had to go through. Know how the snow, I had to go through. Hey, wait, watch this. Hello, this is Uncle Scary, right here in Media, Pennsylvania, and right now we're seeing a lot of snow here. Spring snowfall here in Media, Pennsylvania. As you see, it's a spring snowfall. It's quite amazing. Looks like Elsa got released from jail again. This big snowfall. Looks like Elsa got out of jail again. God. Looks like Elsa got out of jail again. Wow. I can't believe it actually snowed on the first day of spring. Looks like snow miser, heat miser war again. It's snowing, even though it's spring and we should be up at the beach. I don't believe this. God, all this snow that happened. I guess also got out of jail again. God, Mother Nature is playing mind games on us. Can't believe it. I guess Mother Nature played mind games on us. You know, it's not nice to fool Mother Nature and all that. Last year it was El Nino now. I'm not gonna say it's far too rude. All the snow happened. Wow, look at that. All the snow. It was Uncle Siri over.
Well, this is the winter. I'm freezing cold out here. I'm freezing cold. I can hardly feel my fingers right now. I have to suffer the snow and all that. I'm gonna go inside for a big cup of hot chocolate right now. This is Ted Harris. Retrieve here. You! radio programming. See ya.